After working with hundreds of people in the dropshipping field, I have the privilege of seeing everything, what they tested, what worked, what didn't work, and how it worked. And I just want to share a couple of things with you which worked extremely well, which I've noticed through split testing through hundreds of people. It's literally going to be 3 tips which you can instantly implement in your business and which are going to boost your profits drastically. So let's start with the first one. So number 1 is implied scroll stoppers. And this is a concept I came up with after watching a bunch of Instagram videos in a row. And at some point I was down this rabbit hole of just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and I noticed that I saw a video which said something along the lines of, "The mom's face is so hilarious." However, there was no mom in the shot. And I waited until I saw the mom, obviously, because I wanted to see the hilarious face of the mom. However, then I also understood that if you mention something which you don't even see in the shot, people actually tend to watch the video longer because they are curious what you're about to show. And if you say a random thing, like, "Oh my God, I can't," the guy in the green shirt, or you say, "Look at the reaction of the guy in the green shirt," just something like that, which you're gonna show on like second 10, 20 or something like that, people are gonna watch your video drastically longer. Everything is going to be better on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere, okay? This is a super powerful trick which you can implement, and the easiest version of this is just saying, wait till the end. Because actually a lot of people do wait till the end because they expect something crazy to happen in the end. This is a thing which most people don't know about. However, the next one is also going to be really good. So the next one is post-purchase retargeting. Post-purchase retargeting means that after a person bought, you're going to keep showing them ads on Facebook and TikTok or whatever, and you're going to try to sell them something after, okay? People who just bought, recently bought, they didn't even receive their item, in the next 3 to 7 days, there are loyal fans of your brand because they actually got convinced to buy from you, they like you, and the buyer experience is the best literally after they purchased. They're hyped, okay? So in the next couple of days, you're going to be able to sell them a lot more things. And how you do this is you're just gonna make a video. Either you do it by yourself, you actually go in front of the camera and do it, or you pay an influencer to do it. But basically, you're gonna have a face of the brand and you say, "Hey, me as the CEO of Company X, I just wanted to personally thank you again for joining our community. And as a little thank you and welcome gift, you're gonna get X. Free shipping, free extra discount, free extra product if you buy this." Whatever offer you can come up with, but just something which you kind of phrase as a welcome gift to the community or to being a first-time purchaser of the store. And this is actually going to get a lot of people to buy if done right. Okay? Here it's really important to have a face, a representative of the brand, and not just have a random picture with like a coupon or something. It needs to be a person who is behind the brand because people always tend to buy much easier from other people. And after they already bought from your store, it's going to be much easier to sell them something if they have some kind of face attached to it. Now, the last thing is about influencers. And obviously, you guys probably know that working with influencers can be really beneficial because you can get tons of amazing content done by them. You instantly get money through the shout out if they post it on their page. So you make all the money back what you paid them for the shout out, and sometimes you make way more. And on top of that, you have the amazing video which you can then use for your ads. Okay? So influencers are just a win-win-win situation from everybody. Influencers are just so powerful. However, one extremely annoying thing about influencers is they don't respond. If they're good, they're getting hundreds of DMs every single day, and it's really hard to stick out. Okay? Now, we actually found a solution for this, which is having a verified account to reach out to them. Now, obviously, you're going to think, I don't have a verified account, I'm not going to be able to do that. However, it's actually not that hard to find verified accounts of people who are broke. Because there's a bunch of niches of people who get verified accounts really easily. For example, soccer players or footballer, or however you say it in English. But basically, so for example, those guys get verified really easily in the minor leagues, and they actually don't start making real money yet. However, they're verified, okay? Especially, for example, in the women's leagues. If you see pro woman football player in some kind of minor league, you can basically assume that she's not earning so much money with it. However, she's verified. And that is the perfect person. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach out to them and get the verified person to start reaching out to all the influencers you want. Either you pay them for actually reaching out, or you just tell them, hey, I want access to your account. Obviously for that, they're gonna have to trust you more. But you're just gonna basically pay them and basically negotiate some kind of deal where their account is gonna text the influencer. Your response rates are just gonna skyrocket, everything is gonna be so much better. However, the perfect demographic of that is a verified Instagram person who is broke. That's the ideal person to reach out to people, because they're not going to charge you a lot, and they're going to be happy about every couple $100 you're going to send them every week or every couple of weeks just for texting people. So this is again a win-win situation. Now I want to emphasize here, those three things are super powerful. However, they are useless if you don't have a good product. They're also useless if you have no clue how to make good ads. And they're also useless if you don't know how to create offers, run ads, etc. So if you actually want to learn all the fundamentals, you can do that in my one-on-one program. You're going to click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session with me personally. We're going to find out if we're a good fit. If yes, we're going to start working together. If no, then not. And basically, it's going to be me guiding you through the entire system, step by step by step, from finding a product to branding it. Okay? So click the link below and see you there.